Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can uninstall the Avast AVG antivirus on your Windows. So when you are using the Avast AVG antivirus, you cannot use your Windows security, which is the default antivirus of your Windows. Now let me show you. So currently I am using the Avast antivirus, and then you can see right here it's running in the background. Now you have to click on the Windows security, and if I click on virus and threat protection, it will state that Avast antivirus is turned on. So that means that I cannot use the default antivirus of my Windows, which is the Windows security. So I want to uninstall the Avast antivirus to use the Windows security of my Windows. So let's go click into the process. In the Windows search bar, type appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl. Click on it. So these are all the programs on my Windows. Now we need to look for the Avast. So simply search for it in the search bar, Avast. Then you'll find the Avast free antivirus and the Avast secure browser. So we are going to uninstall these two applications. Now click on the app and then select uninstall. Now you have three options right here: repair, customize, and uninstall. Go with uninstall. Just click on skip and uninstall. Now you will be asked, do you really want to uninstall? You have to click on uninstall. So let's just wait for this while the Avast antivirus is being uninstalled. So this may take a few moments, and let's just wait for this. Now once done, you will be asked to restart the computer or to restart later. So I'm just going to click restart later because I will still show you on how you can delete or uninstall the Avast browser. So click on the Avast secure browser and then select uninstall. Now click on or check this box, also delete your browsing data, and then select uninstall. Now once done, let's simply search for Avast again. Let's type here Avast. Now as you can see, no items match your search, so that means that the application has been uninstalled. Now let's go ahead and click on the Windows security icon on the show hidden icons. Then here, click on virus and threat protection. Now this time, we can now access into our Windows security because we have just uninstalled the Avast AVG antivirus on our Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.